Hey everybody, it is a cold, wet May Saturday. Just got back from the Kelso and Longview Model Railroad Club show, swap meet, and took a run up to Hagen's in Olympia because it's such a great grocery store. But we're back and I'll show you some treats. First up, for my 1970s Southern trains, it's going to be for the whopping price of $3. We got this beautiful Southern hopper car. Yep, it is a Atlas. Very nice. Now, hidden in that box of ConCor passenger cars I got to replace the trucks on my rainbow fleet, I found a little gem and I have an idea for it. It's a Erie FB dummy. But check out how close that striping is to my Spokane, Portland, and Seattle FA. So I think with a little painting, it's going to come out just right. So out of that box of ConCor cars, and I even got the plastic box as part of the deal. First up is this very nice, and it's a more modern ConCor. It's a Union Pacific coach. It's the Pacific Bend. Yeah, that's pretty. I'll bring this out a little bit. There we go. And of course, we're using our beautiful nickel plate 190 as our switcher. That's the only one that had Rapido or Microtrains couplers. So then we got a Milwaukee Road in old Hiawatha colors baggage car, kind of an RPO. On the same frame, Milwaukee Road. UP car, coach. Milwaukee Road, also in UP colors. And then another UP, and another Milwaukee Road. So later on, a couple of those cars are going to donate their trucks, put on the Rainbow Fleet. We'll talk to you later. Okay, I got the couplers on the cars I wanted to repair. Let's take a look. Cross your fingers, boys and girls.